Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove uninstalled apps from App Store. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. If you've downloaded a specific app on your device and want to remove it from the App Store purchase history, first of all, you have to open up the App Store. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to click on the purchase button right here, and this will open a list of all the apps you have installed on your iPhone, as well as other iOS devices that are connected with your Apple ID. So you have two sections here, all and not on this iPhone. If we want to remove any of these apps, we need to slide our finger from right to left, and then you're going to see this hide button. So just tap on it to remove the app from your App Store purchase history, and it's going to remove it from the all list. Now if I remove the Stato Cafe app from my purchase history, you won't see it here anymore. But if I exit the App Store and go to the app library on my phone, I'm going to search for the app, and as you can see, it's still here if you hide an app from your purchase history that doesn't delete the app itself. If you want to delete the app, then you need to long press on the app and then go through the steps of deleting it from your phone completely. This way you will completely hide the fact that you've downloaded and installed various apps from the App Store. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.